Myself Pooja Bhand. Today's date is 3rd May 2022. Today's video topic comparable and comparator. Java comparable interface. Java comparable interface is used to order the object of the user defined class. This interface is found in java.lang packages and contains only one method name. One method name contains only one method name single compared to object. It provides a single sorting it contains single sorting sequences only. That is, you can sort the elements on the basis of single data member only. For example, if it may be roll number, name, age, or anything else, then compared to, that is object to object method, public int compare object. It is used to compare the current object with the specified object. It returns positive integer if the current object is greater than the specified object. Negative integer if the current object is less than the specified object. 0 if the current object is equal to the specified object. We can sort the elements of string object, wrapper class object, user defined class object. Then collection classes. Classes provide static methods for string. The elements of a collection, if collection elements are of set or map, we can use tree set or tree map. However, we cannot sort the elements of list. Collections class provides methods for sorting the elements of list type elements. Then Java comparator interface. Java comparator interface is used to order the objects of a user-defined class. The interface is found in java.util packages and contains two methods, that is compare and equals, that is object element. It provides multiple sorting sequences, that is, you can sort the elements on the basis of any data members, for example roll number, name, age, or anything else. Methods of Java comparator interfaces. Method public int compare object. It compares the first object with other object. Public boolean equals object. It is used to compare with the specified object. Public boolean equals object. It is used to compare with the specified object. Then collection classes. Collection class provides the static methods for sorting the elements of collection. If the collection elements are of a set or map, we can use tree map or tree set or tree map. And that's all about it. Thank you.